Come along with me today to try on my new Push Collection wig, Evette, in the Mocha with Cream. Before we get started, I would just like to encourage you to like and subscribe to Wig Studio One. Also, the product link will be below, along with how you get in touch with Wig Studio One. You can write them at support.wigstudio1.com, linked below. They also have a fabulous Facebook group where we can all talk about our wigs and ask questions. And that Facebook group is called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Now, this beautiful wig that we are about to unveil was gifted to me by Wig Studio One. This is from their Push collection. All of the wigs from the Push collection are designed by Andrea Carlson, and she has partnered with Belle Tress, offering all the Belle Tress colors, which is just fabulous. So Evette is a shorter style for me, so I am really excited to get into her. This is what we see when we open the box. Look at that, Mocha with Cream. This is my first Mocha with Cream. So I want to show you what you should do when you get a new wig like this. We need to wake up those fibers. So by waking up those fibers, I mean that we are going to turn her upside down. We're going to give her a little shaky shake. I like to run my fingers in here where the part is, just to break up those fibers and get them alive. Okay, and then we are going to put her on. Oh my goodness, she is adorable. Look at this whoa. Look at this adorable cut. Absolutely perfect for the summertime. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, she is so cute. Okay, I gotta take off the tag. Okay, we took off the tag, now we can really enjoy her. So look at this cute little wavy style. Just adorable. I really find if you're all worried about the heat wearing wigs, if you get the ones that are a little off your shoulders, off your neck, it really helps with the heat issues. So right out of the box, she is completely wearable. We could probably use some heat and get this off our face a little more, but she is good to go. Let's see how easy she is to put behind our ears. I always like to put these little short styles behind my ears, and she very easily goes back there, which is so nice. That'll also be really easy for putting on glasses, sunglasses. So she is 11 inches long all the way around, and her nape is 3 inches. So I am a petite size head, and when I put her on right out of the box, she is good to go. Usually I have to tighten them, and I am not going to need to do that to this one. So I would say this would fit a petite through average. She is an average cat. Let's look at her coloring. She is a 2R 613 36. And this is the Mocha with Cream. She is a rich, darkest brown root with a blend of dark chocolate brown and cinnamon, along with milk chocolate, cool blonde, and a light blonde highlight. Here's the root. And up around this hairline, we have this touch of blonde highlight, which I think is so great on monofilaments, because monofilaments are already spectacular, but you add a little bit of blonde up there and it just makes it perfection. Here's her coloring on this side, the back. You can see those nice little highlights. They're so pretty next to the darker browns. She weighs 4 ounces. I'm trying to feel if there's any permatease. I do not feel any permatease. We'll look at her cap and see if there is. So here's that ear to ear monofilament top. You can see my fingers through on the part line, and you can part anywhere in this space. Here is your lace all the way down to the ear tab. Nice velvet ear tabs, and I feel the little wire in there. We have a nice ability to stretch this cap, so if you are above an average, you could probably stretch her a little bit. We have beautiful Velcro adjusters. I love the Velcro adjusters. So here you can see is where she came, and this for a petite, for my 21-inch head, was perfect. A nice big longer nape. Now we have these open wefts for our cap, which also makes for a nice summer wig because you get that breeze. And there is no seam right here. Now let's look in here and see if we see any permatease. I see just some return hairs, but there, from what I can tell, there is no permatease in this wig. Now here you can really see, like in the root, you can see this is the side, your darkest brown here. Just beautiful how this Mocha with Cream plays into this hair. And with these like little short layering, that just really makes her so movable. Look at that. So cute, these little layers. I love that. And I also love that then you can see like these different colorings like down here. It just makes her so dimensional. Let me just show you those little layers in back. Look how cute that is. Just so stylish. Super trendy, super cute. You can be sassy, you can be professional. It is just phenomenal. And I think Andrea thought about everything with these wigs. Everything from the velvet ear tabs to the Velcro straps, just so good. And this monofilament cap, not having your seam, I mean, so good. So let's talk about what we can do with her style-wise. You might think because it is a short wig, you can't do a lot, and that would be wrong. There are so many cute things that we can do with her. One of the things I like to do with shorter wigs is just pull over just a little bit and do just a little clip like that. That's so cute. Now, one thing that I love to do with any kind of bob is bring this bang like this, separate it, bring it over here to your ear, and you can just tuck it back like this, and then you can use a safety pin if you want to. If it's long enough, you don't have to worry about that. And then you just have this cute little swept over look that looks like super casual, keeps it out of your face if you're worried about that, and it's just so cute. I really think these little layers down here just give her so much pizzazz. I love the sassy look, and this is a sassy look. Thank you for joining me for this review. She is so cute.